8 marks, and there you will be asked, means you will be asked to make one note making, that is note making, and then summarization. 5 marks of note making and 3 marks for summarization. Okay, then what is note making? Suppose this is very important in our modern life. Very important, especially in your degree life, college life, in your that is upper life, and then next your professional life. It is very, very important. That's why it has been taken here, note making. At the time, it was there in some professional institutions. In your professional courses or career, it is very important. Your professor, your all will give their lecture. You cannot memorize. You cannot take the whole lecture. Then, but you can, what you can put down the important writings, important words, important dates, important names, and on the basis of those important names, just like a reporter. What does a reporter do? Sorry. Okay, what does a reporter do? A reporter, suppose you are a reporter. What you will do? Can you write? Can you report the whole thing given by a minister, given by a teacher, a program? You cannot. You cannot report the whole program. You cannot write the whole program, publish the whole program. Even you cannot write the whole story. What you will do? You will hear the speech, you will see the situation, observe the situation, and put down the important writings. Suppose one minister or important person is giving a speech. You cannot give the whole speech. You will take out the important thing. You have to understand what he actually wants to say. A speech of 1 hour. From the whole speech, you have to sneeze the main important thing. Actually, the what he wants to tell, what he wants to give, what message actually he wants to give through his whole speech. Then you will have to put down the important notes, important words. Then after reaching home, you are a reporter, suppose. After reaching home, on the basis of your important words, that is important notes, you will make all those words in whole sentences, in a para. That will be a report. Reporter doesn't take the whole thing. He takes the important notes, dates, names. Then once again, he uses all those words and makes a report. In your academic career, it is very important, especially in your next academic career, it is very important note making. Your lecturer will come, give his lecture. You cannot memorize the whole thing. But what you can note down. This is note making. Okay. I told you note making is an important study skill. Sometimes our study material is rather large, long one, অনেক বড় হয়ে থাকে. It is difficult to remember large chunks of information. It is always advisable to note down the main points of the material, what I have already told you. These points should further be divided into subsections. The whole note, whole pages, I will make it subsections. I told you to divide some in phrases, or you can say in first phase, first paras, you can also say, and subsections and subsections. First, you will divide them. Suppose about Swami Vivekananda story, you will make childhood, his childhood, Vivekananda's childhood, and in the very childhood, you will divide education starting, schooling, birthplace, and in this way, subsections. Okay, the use of abbreviations and symbols makes your notes more compact and precise. You can make some yourself, and you have to write it. That is suppose government. We used to face this one, government, GOVT. We used to write GOVT. Suppose you have seen four import. You have found some important large words, and you want to make abbreviations. You want to write abbreviation. Then you have to in a particular side. You have to write. Suppose in a that is a long word is there. Suppose in your given passage, a long word, a large word is there, and you are. It depends on you how you will make it, how you will make your abbreviations. But you have to write it in a particular corner or in a particular side. Suppose abbreviations for AB, ARB. You have written ARB means abbreviation. You have to make equal. ARB equal abbreviations. GOVT equal means abbreviation of government. LT. LFT, that is, you are writing lieutenant. In this way, you can write your own abbreviations. Then I am sharing you some important characteristics, features of good notes. That is, notes should be number one. You can write down number one. I will give you in your groups. I will give you the. Give you one note making helping what you can what can be very helpful to you. First, let me discuss characteristics of good notes. Notes should be short. Your note should be short. Identify the main points. You have to identify the main points. I told you that in note form we write only in phrases, not in sentences. Same way. Just like title. In title, we don't use verb, we don't use full sentence, just title. Like title, you will write only in phrases. Number two, information is logically divided and subdivided by the uses of figures or letters. That is subsection, then subsections. Main section 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And subs or Roman 1, 2, 3. Subsections. Suppose you have written in numerical in our English, Arabic numerical like 1, 2, 3. And subsection, then you have to write in a bracket Arabic, not Arabic, that Roman 1, Roman 2. Subsections in this way. Or subsections A, B, C. Another convenient method of division is decimal system. That is main section 1, 2, 3, etc. Subsection 1.1. Once 1.1, 1.2, then 1.3. Suppose you have made one section, first section, you have divided it in first section, you have written something, you have given a title, and then subsections. Once 1.1, then once 1.2, 1.3 in this way. Okay. Abbreviations and symbols are freely used. You are free. You have given the right. You are made free to use your own abbreviation. But not so. I think it will not be so wise one to use more than 10 or 8, 9. Because in case of large words, you can make abbreviations. But it will be wise to keep your abbreviation within 5 to 8 words. Okay. Note must make sense when they are read again. See, just put it reverse. I told you, one reporter first observes the situation, hears the speech, and writes down the important things. Once again, reaching home or reaching his institution, on the basis of his notes, he can write the whole speech. He can make other understand the whole speech with the basis of his own words, own notes. In the same way, your note, suppose in your exam you have may make one note. I will not see your teacher, and that is your examiner. I will not see your whole passage, but on the basis of your notes, I can understand the whole passage, how it was, what it is about. Okay. Summarization. In case of summary, then 3 marks, you have one summary. Summarization or abstraction follows note making. It is the selection and paraphrasing of the passage. It involves the following main step. What is summary? Generally, it is said. It is said. It's a rumor. I don't believe in this, and you shouldn't believe. Then 1/3 will write 1/3 of the passage. This is summary. No. You have to understand what the author or what the writer wants to give us, what message he wants to spread, he wants to give us. You have to understand, and then you can also use your own words. After understanding the passage, you can use your own words. It will be a good summary. Understanding important ideas, you have to go through the whole text. Writing down, averaging the verbs. You have to average the verbs. Avoiding example, explanation, and repetition. You cannot give there in summary. You cannot give there example. For example, etc. etc. For example, you cannot say this one. Even you cannot explain again and again, and it shouldn't be an ideal one. You cannot repeat things again because it is a summary of the whole passage. In summarizing, we expand the points into full sentences. Here you have to write down whatever you want. You have to write in full sentences. The summary will contain all the main ideas contained in the original passage. Main ideas you have to put down. Be precise in expression. It's a very clear idea. Okay. Now I am giving you the picture. What I told you. Actually, what I taught you. I am giving you the main picture. That is which can be very helpful for you. And if you have any question, then text me, write me in my personal WhatsApp number, and I will try to solve your problem. Okay, now I am giving the photocopy, giving you something which can be very helpful. In this way, we can phrase a single part of unseen passages. Okay. Okay, student. Then now I am giving you the picture of note making. Okay. Then if you have any queries, if you can understand, or I will help you. Okay. Bye.